this video, we will learn about how to recover deleted static website from Google Cache. If you want to recover your deleted static website for which you don't have any data, just go to your deleted website via Google and then go to Cache under a drop-down icon. Now here, choose the default option for front-end codes like full version or text-only version, or simply click on View Source. If you click on View Source, you will get the complete code of your website. That means the HTML file code of your website. Even if your website is deleted, this code is always present in Google for a longer duration. Now there are few exceptions. A deleted website or its particular page will only be visible if it is ever crawled by Google. You can only check the front end of your website. You cannot recover backend and database like PHP or dynamic websites.